I'm making some coffee and I figured I got a package so we could open it together. Might as well. I hope that you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. I look crazy because I'm actually have to rinse off my self tanner, and I'll show you guys the self tanner I use, but I wanted to open this super quick. I ordered this the other day. I'm not a huge fan of it anymore. I'm kind of sick of it. So I ordered this leopard one. I'll link it down and below in the description box. So if you guys want it. I was like, oh my god, did I order the wrong one? That's nice. How do I explain it? Hello? Nice. It's silicone in the inside. The outside is not, it's not soft like these cases are. My mom always gets these cases for me. But it's just like kind of hard. Let's put it on. I'm really excited. I also need to change the background on my phone. It's still Christmas. Oh no. It's not the right size. Look, it don't fit. Well, that's annoying. iPhone XR. Why doesn't it fit? That's annoying. Well, I'm sad now. Return it. I don't know how to return things on Amazon. That's stupid. Well, that was a fail. Phone XR. I don't know, maybe I just have an iPhone X, the S one. Whatever. I'll return that, but if you guys want to take a risk and order it, I'll link it down below. I'm sad now. Alright, well, I sit and be sad about the phone case. I'm having a cup of coffee. I'm gonna drink as much as I can. I haven't been having coffee lately because I just don't know what's going on with me, but with my throat stuff, and coffee kind of triggers it. But so I'm gonna try this. It's the Chobani sweet cream. It's only 30 calories for a tablespoon. It kind of smells like yogurt. Is that weird? Okay, anyways, put some in. All right. Oh my god. I mean, that would work.
It does work.
But it's weird. And my camera is all messed up in the back. Jason put the case over my old case. Oh shit, I'm spilling cream. Sorry, I just tried it off camera. It's super good. I like it. I give this creamer a yes. I got the sweet cream, like I said. They have like caramel, vanilla, something else too, but super good. Okay, you guys, so this is the self tanner that I use. I look like this. This is bad lighting, but this is the deep bronze one. I use this when I get it at Target. And then I have this mitt. Don't judge me. It's so bad. I need to order a new one at Amazon. Just rinse off my self tan. You can't really tell because of the lighting. There. I look tan. I look good. My arms look good. It doesn't not ever leave me feeling super blotchy, but I'm going to go rinse it off. And then I'm actually going to get ready for the day because I'm going to meet my friend. We're going to go shop a little bit, get some lunch, meet up, hang out, do our Christmas because we haven't seen each other because I've been sick. I haven't been seeing people, so besides like my parents. See, I'm finishing up my coffee. I'm still feeling pretty good. It's so good, you guys. I have to take a sip right now. I haven't had coffee in so freaking long because I've been scared to, because every time I drink coffee it makes me feel weird. So I'm like, what the deal is. I even tried decaf one day, which you guys probably seen in a vlog, and it's still like, it was like too strong or something, so I don't know. But my coffee today that I made is so stinking good. But yeah, I'm gonna charge my battery, and maybe I'll do like a little get ready with me, like a quick little like speed through, so you guys can kind of see what I'm using, what I'm doing, and when I'm tan, like I have a little bit of a tan, what I like to use. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna jump in the shower and rinse off. I'll see you in a bit. Hi you guys, so I just got done rinsing off my self tan and I feel like it looks pretty good. My hands aren't weird or anything. My knuckles look a little weird, but in person, like, I look super good. I feel like my neck, everything is good. By the way, you need this robe. It's from Target. It's like 40 bucks or something. Super inexpensive. Highly recommend. I'm actually gonna get ready. I'm gonna put on a headband. So my mom gave me these headbands. They're from Amazon. I'll link them down below for you guys if I can find them. But yeah, I'm still really super sad about my phone case. So just using Wet n Wild foundation, e.l.f. concealer. I'm going to use a little bit of Maybelline concealer. Right here I have my Smashbox 2 Tour. I got some Pixie blush, Glamnetics fake eyelashes. I'm going to use some Morphe 2 for my eyebrows, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and e.l.f. for my eyebrows. And yeah, and then my blending brush is the, I think it's called the Sponge. And then my setting powders, Airspun always. And then I'm going to moisturize my face with just my Roden Fields cream that I use every single day. I didn't wash my face today because I have self-tanner on my face. I do self-tan my face. My Bright Eye from Tula. My favorite mascara is Maneater. And my favorite bronzer is Hoola. So these are the products I'm using. I'm also going to use a primer today, a Smashbox primer. So I'm just going to do my makeup. I'll let you guys watch. I'll speed through it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I'll try to answer them. But I'm just going to do a simple makeup look because I want to get ready. So I always wet my sponge. Simple little makeup look. Normally I don't wear eyelashes. Normally I skip that. But I haven't wore fake eyelashes in a while and I want to. So anyways, let's go. Alright you guys, so I put on one lash. I want to show you how I do it. I got some of the eyeliner in my eyelash and it's really hard to get out without makeup remover, so just be careful if you do ever get these. The reason why I'm saying that it's hard is because it's the Glamnetic, like magnetic liquid eyeliner, so you have to really practice. I normally just put like a line and then I do like my wing with my other eyeliner, but I couldn't find it, so we just went with the Gusto. So you take it off here. They're really cool. They have magnetic strips. You can kind of see them. Yeah, there you go. Just stick it. You have to make the eyeliner thick enough to hide the band, but there you go. It's so easy. No glue on the eyelashes, nothing. So if you can master down the eyeliner, you're set. You're golden point boy set. This is my little makeup I have so far. I really am liking it. I think it looks good. My eyebrows are definitely sisters today. Kylie Bear. I put her lick. It's drying, so I just put a little bit on. Fill it in. Like I said, these are really drying, so I only put a little tiny bit. I don't want to look like SpongeBob when he dries up, you know. I've been putting the Kylie Jenner Cocoa K gloss on, but I don't know if they still sell this one. So my other favorite right now is the Madison Beer Morphe. This color is Mars. I'm gonna put the Mars one on because I genuinely love this nude. It's so pretty. And it's a gloss, so you will have to reapply. I freaking love it. That is she. She is she. I don't think I'm gonna curl my hair today. I think I'm just gonna like let it be. Good morning. I just made a cup of coffee. I'm having my sweet cream again. I'm just going to drink a little bit of this, see how I'm feeling. But I wanted to show you, went to Bath & Body. They actually have a sale right now. All their hand soaps are $3.95. Amazing new scents. The strawberry pound cake is one of my favorites. This pineapple mango I don't think is new, but it's super good. This hibiscus paradise was amazing. The cotton freesia, I don't know, whatever. And this white Fuji white sands. I'm so dyslexic. Super good. And then this one smells like, oh, it's so good. This one smells like white tea and sage. This one smells so good. This one I'd highly recommend. Really like that one. Yeah, I'm actually going to just drink my coffee, wake up a little bit more, and then I might head out and go to Marshall's. And I'll show you guys if I get anything. I'm thinking about picking up some new makeup. I want some new blush, so we'll see. I have not vlogged much today, but it is Saturday, January 30th. I went live on my Instagram and everything, so it took a while. And then I actually just went shopping. I went to Marshall's and I forgot to bring my camera because the battery was dead. But I wanted to show you guys what I got there. So I got this really cute mirror. It was only $16.99. Like above my stair area. I'm gonna show you here this, but I feel like it's so blah on each side, so I might hang it up here and do something with that wall, just to give it a little bit more dimension in here and just look cute as heckin' bobbin. And flip you guys around here. I got this Milani. It is the Conceal and Perfect, $2.99, originally $4. I don't believe that. But Milani, I don't know if it's like a cream or not, but I'll let you guys know what I think of this if I use it anytime soon. Put it in my makeup bag. Then I got this. It says create your own sunshine with some lemons, but I'm just going to put it on like a shelf and you'll just see this part. I thought that was so cute. This bag, $12.99. Super cute cheetah. I have makeup bags, but this one was just ginormous. And I needed that because I have a few makeup bags, but I always want to put all my makeup in one bag and have it in my closet in the bathroom so I don't have to have a ton of them, you know. $12.99. And then I got this. I already opened it. It's a Pore cleansing facial scrubber. So instead of having like a brush that collects bacteria, everybody was recommending one of these to me. So I haven't had a chance to order off Amazon yet, but I did see this, so I picked it up. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, but I wanted some mugs that weren't Christmassy, so I got this Love You More mugs. Super cute, $5.99. This is for Jason for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go hide it so he doesn't see it, but I thought it was so cute. I got Indy some bones, my best friend, these for her birthday, which this will probably go out after her birthday because her birthday is next weekend and I'm behind on editing per usual. For her, so cute. I love them. They're so her. I think she'll really love these with her blonde hair, so that was for her. So and then I was gonna get this perfume, but I didn't end up getting it. I keep smelling my wrist and I'm like regretting not getting it. It was very light perfume though, so like I think a part of me was like, I didn't want to get a perfume that would only last for like 10 seconds. But yeah, I thought I got another sign, but I guess not. That is my little haul. I spent 70 bucks, 50 of it I had a gift card for. And this sweater I actually got as a gift for Christmas from my friend from a little boutique. She got it like back before Christmas, so I don't think they'll have it anymore. But Jason and I are gonna get some dinner. I'm not sure what we're gonna have, but he's playing some video games and I'm just chilling. I might edit some videos because I'm behind and I want to get some videos up. It's my little haul, you guys. Should you really check out TJ Maxx or Marshalls? They got some good stuff right now that I would highly recommend checking out, especially these mugs. Like, how cute are these? They're decent size too. Love these.